Hello language learners and welcome back to the English Grammar Mastery course. My name is Sai Sarath and in this lesson you are going to learn all about interjections. Have you ever shouted wow in amazement or sighed in relief? These small yet powerful expressions are called interjections. They are the unsung heroes that add color and emotion to our spoken communication, making it more expressive and relatable. Today, let's dive into the vibrant world of interjections and learn how to use them effectively to bring life to our conversations. Before we start, just remember that if you have any questions at all, you can ask me those in the Q&A section or email me and I will get back to you personally as soon as possible. So without any delay, let us begin our lesson. First of all, let us understand what interjections are. Interjections are short words or phrases that convey strong emotions or reactions. They are usually used in spoken language and help us express our feelings spontaneously. Interjections don't typically have a grammatical function, but they play a significant role in making our speech more lively and engaging. Interjections can be categorized into different types based on their function and the emotion they convey. Some important types of interjections are expressive interjections, greeting interjection, exclamatory interjections, approval or agreement interjections, disapproval or disagreement interjections. Let us learn about each of them, starting with expressive interjections. Expressive interjections are used to convey strong emotions or sensations such as pain, surprise, or excitement. They often serve as an immediate reaction to something unexpected or impactful. Examples of expressive interjections include o, and ow. Denotes realization or understanding. Example, now I understand the problem. O expresses surprise, disappointment, or sudden realization. Example, oh, I forgot my wallet at home. Ow indicates pain or discomfort. Example, ow, I just stubbed my toe. Next up, let us learn about greeting interjections. Greeting interjections are used to acknowledge someone's presence or initiate a conversation. They are a friendly and informal way of saying hello or addressing someone. Examples of greeting interjections include hello, hi, and hey. Hello is a polite and standard way of greeting someone. Example, hello, how are you today? Hi is a casual and informal greeting, usually used among friends or acquaintances. Example, hi, it's nice to see you again. Hey is a more informal and laid back greeting, often used to grab someone's attention. Example, hey, wait up. The next type of interjection is exclamatory interjection. Exclamatory interjections express strong emotions such as amazement, joy, or enthusiasm. They help emphasize a speaker's feeling or reactions to a particular situation or event. Examples of exclamatory interjections include wow and hooray. Wow indicates surprise, amazement, or admiration. Example, wow, this cake is delicious. Hooray expresses joy, victory, or celebration. Example, hooray, we won the match. Now let us understand what approval or agreement interjections are. These interjections show agreement, affirmation, or support. They can be used to indicate that the speaker agrees with a statement or idea. Examples of approval or agreement interjections include yes, yeah, and okay. Yes is a standard way of expressing agreement or consent. Example, yes, I think that's a great idea. Yeah is a more casual and informal way of saying yes. Example, yeah, let's go to the movies. Okay signals acceptance or compliance. Example, okay, I'll meet you there at 5 pm. Quite opposite to the approval or agreement interjections, we have the disapproval or denial interjections. Disapproval or denial interjections convey disagreement, rejection, or disapproval. They can be used to express a speaker's unwillingness or opposition to something. Examples of disapproval or denial interjections include no and never. No is a standard way of expressing disagreement or refusal. Example, no, I can't help you with that right now. Never indicates strong refusal or denial. Example, I will never forgive him for what he did. By understanding the different types of interjections and their usage, we can enrich our conversations and express ourselves more effectively. Now let us explore the differences between similar interjections and discuss their placement in sentences. O versus A. O and A are often used interchangeably, but they convey slightly different emotions. O is used to express surprise, mild emotion, or sudden realization. It can also be used to convey disappointment or dismay. For example, oh, I didn't know you were coming. Oh no, I left my phone at home. A is used to indicate understanding, realization, or a sense of satisfaction. It often signals that something has clicked or become clearer in speaker's mind. For example, now it makes sense. While both interjections can be used to express a range of emotion, O is generally more versatile, while A is specifically related to the understanding and realization. Interjections can be placed at various positions within a sentence to emphasize different aspects of the statement. Their placement can affect the tone and impact of the sentence. Interjections can be placed at the beginning of a sentence. When an interjection is placed at the beginning of a sentence, it helps set the emotional tone for the rest of the statement. This is a common position for interjections as it immediately grabs the listener's attention and sets the mood. For example, wow, that's a beautiful painting. In this case, wow conveys admiration and amazement before the speaker even describes the object of their admiration. Interjections can also be placed in the middle of a sentence, usually to express a strong, sudden emotion or reaction to something that has just been said or realized. This placement can create a dramatic effect as it interrupts the flow of sentence to emphasize the speaker's emotional response. I can't believe, oh my god, she won the race. Here, oh my god is placed in the middle of sentence to emphasize the speaker's surprise and excitement about the race outcome. Placing an interjection at the end of a sentence can add a final emotional touch or serve as a rhetorical question. This can help reinforce the speaker's feelings or invite the listener to share in their emotions. What a lovely day, huh? In this sentence, huh is used at the end of the sentence to create a sense of shared appreciation for the pleasant weather. Now that we have learnt about interjections and their types, let's put your knowledge to test with this practice exercise. Pause the video here and try to answer the following questions. You can get the answers in the PDF material provided below this lesson. So in this lesson, we have explored the colorful world of interjections and discovered how they bring life and emotion to our spoken communication. We have seen the various types of interjections and learned how to use them effectively to make our speech more engaging and expressive. By mastering interjections, we can enhance our conversations and make them more relatable and captivating. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use interjections in your daily conversations, the more confident and proficient you will become. So let us embrace the power of interjections to add flavor and emotions to our speech, making our communication more vibrant and lively. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, thank you and happy learning.